but also what the new world is looking like for the most part. Chloe! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my vlogs for the most part, because I have not vlogged in a while. Part of it is because we've definitely been in the house and I haven't really been going anywhere. I only recently started going to one of my high school best friend's houses because she doesn't live too far, and that's pretty much like my socializing time. Other than that, I've been either home or I guess like shooting my own content very close to my house. Things are starting to slowly open back up, so now I'm going to try to tote my camera around just to get in the gist of what I'm doing, but also what the new world is looking like for the most part. Chloe! I'm actually heading to the city now to go to Juice Generation. Chloe is fussing at the door. I have no idea what's happening right now. But I'm about to head to the city to go to Juice Generation. We're doing a little like social distancing chat and smoothie sip at their new location on 33rd, and I think it's Park Avenue. So I'm about to head down there and just see what's going on, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we made it to Juice Generation. Gonna go inside. This is bright, my god. Anyways, happy Sunday. So I think it's 7 o'clock, so I think I'm going to open up some packages. I've gotten a lot of packages over the last couple of months, so I think I'm going to open up the packages and at least break like the initial boxes down and probably start doing an unboxing, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is what it now looks like once some of the items have been broken down. I do have a few more items that are in boxes, but what I like to do is I will start breaking the items down just to make it easier on myself for cleanup. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up and just show you guys a quick little process of what it looks like when I actually do my unboxing. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this quick vlog. I really hope that you all enjoyed. I'm going to try to keep up with these a little more often, especially because I do have a few things coming up now that things are starting to open back up. But I really hope that you all enjoyed this quick vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one.